Let us discuss about number series. So our first question is 2 comma 10 comma 18 comma 26 comma 42. So now let us find out the answer, that is 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, 18 plus 8 is 26. So 26 plus 8 is 34, and this 34 plus 8 is 42. So the answer is 34. Let us see our second question, that is 88 comma 16 comma 68 comma 14 comma 76 comma 13 comma 78 dash. We have to find out the answer. So now just observe for a second. This 88 we can take it as 8 plus 8, this then it will be 16, right? 6 plus 8 14. By adding these two numbers, that is 8 plus 6, we will get 14. Now this 7 plus 6, which is 13. Now 7 plus 8 is how much? 8 plus 7 is equals to 15. So 15 is your answer. Now let us see our third question. That is 213 36 412 49 611 64 131. So the next answer is, so now observe very carefully. 2 plus 1 plus 3, I am writing here 2 plus 1 plus 3, which is nothing but 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6. Yes, so 6. Now square this 6, how much will get? 36. This is your answer. And next term is 4 plus 1 plus 2, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7. 7 square is equals to 49. Yes, so this is the answer. And next one is 6 plus 1 plus 1, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. 8 square is equals to 64. This is the answer for this. Now 1 plus 3 plus 1 is equals to 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. 5 square is equals to 25. So our answer is 25. Our fourth question is 61 comma 343 comma 45 comma 729 comma 121 comma 64 comma 233 comma, we have to find out the answer. And now let's find out the answer. Just observe very carefully. 6 plus 1, which is 7, right? But does we get the answer here? No. So 6 plus 1, which is 7, and cube of 7 is equals to 343. In the beginning of the class, I told to learn squares and cubes till 30. Yes, so it's helpful here. Now 4 plus 5 is equals to how much? 9. And 9 cube is equals to 729. Next, so this is the answer for this, and this is the answer for this. And next 1 2 1. Now 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. 4 cube is equals to 64. This is also finished. Now what is, we have to find out this one. 2 plus 3 plus 3, which is equals to 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8, and 8 cube is equals to 512. Yes, this is our answer. Let's go for our fifth question, that is 676 comma 19 comma 489 comma 21 comma 635. So now let's find out the answer. Now try it for a while. That is how we can solve this. 6 plus 7 plus 6 is equals to 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 7 19. Yes, so it's finished. Now 4 plus 8 plus 9, which is equals to 9 plus 8, how much? 17. 17 plus 4, 21. So this is the answer. Now 6 plus 3 plus 5, how much? 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. So 14 is our answer. Yes. So next we can move forward to our sixth question. So let's go for our sixth question, that is 61, 49, 39, 144, 56. Sorry, this is 86, and we have to find out the answer. Now 6 plus 1, which is 7, and square of 7 is equals to 49. Hence we got this first. Next, link the same thing for each and everything. Interconnect one and other. Now 3 plus 9, 9 plus 3, 12. 12 square, which is nothing but 144. Hence this is also finished. And now this one. 8 plus 6, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 square how much? 196. Hence our answer is 196. Yes. And next our seventh question is 31, 64, 42, 216, 34. So now find it this one. 3 plus 1, which is equals to how much? 4. Now but the answer is 64, right? So 3 plus 1, which is 4, and 4 cube is equals to 64. First one is finished. Next one, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 cube is equals to 216. This one also finished. Now this last one. 3 plus 4, which is equals to 7 cube. How much 7 cube is? 343. Hence our answer is 343. And next our eighth question is 121, 16, 132, 36, 252, and next the answer. Now we have to find it out. 2 plus 1, 3, plus 1, 4. 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4 square is equals to 16. And next 1 plus 3 plus 2, which is equals to how much? 6. 6 square is equals to 36. Next 2 plus 5 plus 2 is equals to how much? 7, 9. 9 square is equals to how much? 81. Our answer is 81. These are all basic questions. Let's move forward to our next. Somewhat a bit method is changing. So let's move forward for